Hello my lovelies, welcome to today's video. It is going to be an unboxing of my winter FabFitFun box. I was gonna say I'm really excited, but I was a little underwhelmed maybe with the choices this season. We're gonna talk through everything, so we'll go into that in just a little bit. I'm feeling very kind of goth today. I filmed a tutorial on this look. It will be going up after this video, so once it's up I will leave a link in the description. And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're notified when that video goes up. Without any further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so normally I will kind of show you guys the box design. I got a very large box this month, or this season. It still has a cute design on it, but it's V large. Oh my goodness. I ordered some add-ons for some family as well. So it's a little bit larger than usual. I do appreciate that they're trying to minimize the amount of boxes they're sending you, so we're not going to worry about the box today. We're just going to jump right into the products. So, my first option that I kind of regret, sorry, there's going to be lots of box noises, is these. There's not really a good picture. These are the BOMSHBEE Sloane champagne flutes. It's a set of 4. And this retails for $51. One of the options for this customization was another one of those unhide blankets that I adore, and I kind of wish I would have chosen one of those. But I already had one, and so I was like, get something new. And I love cute glasses, so I thought, why not try these? I haven't actually pulled it out yet. Don't break on camera, please. They're all wrapped up nicely, so I don't think they should have broken in shipping. And oh my god, gorgeous. Like, you could even just display these. Like, I'm a little tempted to, I think they're a little bit too, like, they're not wide enough to like put brushes in, but how gorgeous are these? And even if you don't drink alcohol, I don't drink very much, I think it's super fun just to drink out of cute glasses. Like, I don't know, why does it have to only be for alcohol? Drink whatever you want out of these. Now that I've opened them, I actually kind of love them. Yeah, super cute. A little obsessed. So yeah, that was the first customization. Okay, so next customization I was a little bit excited for, and that was the Impressions Vanity? Yeah, Impressions Vanity Touch Highlight LED Makeup Mirror. That's a mouthful. I tried to pull it out to show you guys, and it turns out it has to be assembled, so I dropped pieces everywhere. But I just wanted to show you the actual mirror part. I don't know if you can see, it is like face size. Like, this is a really good sized mirror. It's super clear, like HD is like spot on. I'm actually a little bit obsessed. This would be amazing to do your makeup in. It is lighted. I will show you guys without showing you my messy room behind the camera. So it's a touch screen. It says it's a dimmable, so this kind of outer ring lights up to give you a nice light source while you're doing your makeup. And honestly, like, totally get this if you're going to order one of these boxes, because like, I'm obsessed with this mirror. I just want to like do my makeup all over again just to use it. We're going to, oh, I need to tell you how much it retails for. It retails for $45, so it's a kind of expensive mirror. But yeah, would highly recommend choosing this. Oh my gosh. All right, next up we have the Dr.Brandt Pore Dermabrasion. This is a pore perfecting exfoliator, and I am trying to find a really nice exfoliator, so I'm hoping I will like this one. It's only 2 ounces. It feels a little bit small, but I'm guessing that a little bit of it will go a long way. I know Dr. Brandt is a really good brand. This bottle does retail normally for $58. Obviously I haven't tried it out yet. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. It's an exfoliator. My cat's trying to climb into a box. If you can hear that in the background, just ignore it. It just says it helps refine the appearance of pores, deep cleans pores, and helps smooth the appearance of skin texture. So I'm excited to try this out. I don't know that I've really heard too many like reviews on it. It doesn't say cruelty free. I'm not sure about this brand in particular, if they are or not. It does say it is good for all skin types though. All right, next up we have this right here, which is a hair mask and scalp detox from the brand Voir. I have no clue how to pronounce it. I'm sorry if I'm slaughtering it. I apologize. And this is the Rhythm of the Rain hair mask. It says it is cleansing cream with nourishing natural botanicals to restore scalp health and replenish moisture for shining hair that's sumptuously soft, strong, and hydrated. So it sounds like that's kind of interesting to me that it's hydrating, but it's also like scalp detoxing. Like normally a scalp detox is going to be kind of drying to hair. Like that's just where my logic goes, but we're gonna see. I haven't tried this out yet. I will say I love the packaging. I love this kind of like watercolor design at the top. I think it's really cute. This is cruelty free and the packaging is recyclable. It is silicone, paraben, sulfate, and phthalate free. I'm sure I'm also pronouncing that wrong. It is sealed. I wonder if I can smell it. I feel like it should just smell good if it's called Rhythm of the Rain. I hate opening these little seals, little like metally ones. Ooh, it does. It smells really good. It's definitely kind of like that clean rain scent that you would think of for like rain scented products. So I'm excited to try that out. I'm always looking for a good scalp detox product, and I also love a good hair mask. So fingers crossed it works out well. The bottle is 6.8 fluid ounces, so it's a good size. And this normally retails for $28. All right, next up we have the dpHUE apple cider vinegar dry shampoo. This is one of the powder ones that you kind of like don't dump, bad idea, but you like tap on and it just puts the little powder in. And it's a dry shampoo obviously, so it's to help absorb extra oils, refreshes style, adds a touch of lift and texture, and it says animal friendly. I'm guessing that means it's cruelty free, but that's not super like specific. It is paraben, sulfate, silicone, and alcohol free. And I haven't tried this yet. My mom also got this and she wasn't sure if it was how she applied it. Oh, it smells good. Or if it was just the product itself, but she said it did cause quite a bit of buildup on her scalp. So maybe be careful. I have used things from this brand before, I think, that I've liked. So I am excited to see how it works. It's been a while. Well, actually I've never used kind of the powdery dry shampoo. So we shall see how it works. This normally retails for $24. Okay, next up are the things that they choose for you. And first one is this Phase Zero Making Moves blusher. And it does not say it's cruelty free. I do love the packaging. It's like a matte black and then the actual branding is a little bit glossy. And it actually has a good size mirror on it. And then it's kind of a more luminous blush, I would say, very peachy. It's actually what I have on today if you want to take a little peek. And I literally just realized I did not highlight my freaking face. I'm a little bit pissed about it. Like, I did a whole makeup tutorial. I pulled out the highlighter I was going to use and I didn't highlight my face. What the heck? Anyways, the blush is great. Yeah, like I said, it's a little bit more luminous. Maybe that's why I didn't realize that I did not put highlighter on. But it's very just kind of a natural peachy color. It wasn't too crazy, not like super pigmented. Like if you watched my last video where I tried to apply my blush and it was like on my face. Yeah, really pretty. I like the packaging. The packaging feels nice, well made. And this, I don't know that it actually gives me retail price. It says about $23 this would retail for normally. Okay, next little thing that they picked for me is the Whish Vanilla Bean Lip Scrub. I was gonna say for your lips. Obviously, it's a lip scrub, Lexi. This is also paraben sulfate phthalate, DEA and TEA, petrochemical and cruelty-free, and they are Leaping Bunny certified. And it has brown sugar, raspberry seed, bamboo powder, shea butter, raspberry butter, aloe, vitamin E, and avocado oil. Whew. This also normally retails for $23. Yeah. And I don't know why I wasn't expecting a tube. So it's like a little squeezy tube. It smells good. Kind of coconutty. I don't think it said there was coconut in here. Maybe it's just the brown sugar I'm smelling. It smells good. I haven't tried it out yet. I want to squeeze maybe just a little bit out to see what it feels like. Oh, I'm gonna drop my box. I don't know if you can see. You probably can't see very well. Not that it really matters. It's just kind of like a sugar scrubby feeling scrub. Obviously there's brown sugar in it. It feels a little harsh on my hand actually, and I'm not pushing that hard, so I think it would work really well. It also has the oils in it that will obviously moisturize as you scrub, and I will say my hand does feel kind of soft and moisturized, and I'm always looking for a good lip scrub, so I'm excited to actually try that out. Probably should have tried it out today because my lips kind of need it, but I didn't look in my box super carefully, so it's just how it is, I guess. Okay, next up we have the nOir hair scrunchies. It comes in a set of 3. I only have 2 here because I've actually already pulled one out because I love a good scrunchie. I'm not sure how I fill out these ones specifically. The fabric on them is like tight, and it can feel like I can feel it pulling on my hair when I have it in. So just be a little bit careful when you're using them. Obviously, you don't want to damage your hair, but they do have a very tight hold. And it's almost hard to get it around 2 times, which I think is also why it pulls a little bit, is because it is such a tight hold. But otherwise I don't really mind it. I don't love leopard print. They are all different colors. The one that's not here currently is kind of maybe in between these two. It's more of a cool tone, but it's still kind of like a brown leopardy pattern. And these also retail for about $23. So, I mean, if you're looking for a hair scrunchie, I mean, you don't get to choose, so if you get it, you get some hair scrunchies, but they aren't bad, but they're maybe not my favorite. I don't know. Okay, so that is it for the actual box customizations. That's everything I got in my box. I will put the total approximately right here for you. I'm sure it's a very great value, like it always is. And then let's go ahead and just look at my add-ons quickly. I did buy a few for myself. I did buy a few for family as well. So what I got, the first thing that I got is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Setting Spray. The packaging's cute. The packaging on the bottle is hella cute. I don't know if I should say that. Super cute gold glitter bottle. Don't let it scare you and think it's going to be glittery. The glitter is not in the spray. You can't see that because the bottom's glittery too. I have it on today. It gives a very pretty, just kind of natural glow. Like, my face was very matte before this, and it just kind of like put the life back in my skin, which is what I love a setting spray for. It's super cool because it actually locks. You can spin the top and it locks. Very handy, especially if you want to take it traveling. You don't want it squirting all over the place in your bag. Avoid spraying in eyes. I can't really tell you much about this other than I like it, and I think it has pretty good reviews. And that I bought this for $14. The next add-on that I got is the Dr.Brandt Hydro-Biotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. So this is a mask that you put on at nighttime when you're doing your skincare, and you just sleep in it. I don't know if it says... It doesn't say you have to wash it off in the morning. If you're obviously going to be washing your face in the morning probably, so just wash it off then. And it just says that it's a hydrating recovery sleep mask with Biotic balancing complex to balance your skin's naturally occurring flora, which I don't really want to know about my skin's naturally occurring flora if I'm honest. It says it's full of soothing peptides, restorative blend of ceramides, fatty acids, and calming actives to work in harmony to help soothe, nourish, and restore hydration to skin. That all sounds really nice. And this is a 1.7 ounce little jar. It's a pretty good size. I actually like the packaging. I think that's super cute. It's like the white and then it's got the little green and the chrome lid. Super cute. I really like a very hydrating product when I'm going to bed at night, so I am excited to see how this works. And it smells botanical. Like kind of that, like it's not gross. It almost reminds me of how like a seaweed mask smells, if that helps you at all. And I bought this for $19. And next up, I bought the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Ashton, and it's actually what I have on right here. It's a really pretty kind of like, it's not quite a, I would call this a brick color. I don't think it's very red, it's more brown orange kind of color. This is a matte liquid lipstick, obviously. It does dry down quite matte, it doesn't transfer. I will say when you're putting it on, like while it's still wet, like your first application wet, go ahead and rub your lips together. After that, do not, because it will transfer weird and make it patchy, and then you have to like patch it back together. Had to do that today, that's why I'm telling you that. But otherwise, it's quite comfortable. It's not like super drying, but you can feel that it's a liquid lipstick on your lips. A lot of people really like their formula, so I'm sure it's great. I can't tell you anything about the wear time because I've only had it on about 30 minutes, but I really like the color. This is like my kind of color, so I had to buy it. And I bought this for $11. Alright, last but not least, we have the Perricone MD No Makeup Lipstick. This has neuropeptides, hyaluronic acid, and a mineral-based sunscreen, SPF 15. This is what the actual tube looks like. It's like that really pretty, I can't think of the name for it. I don't know if it's titanium, but like that very dark kind of metal-y look. It is plastic though. It isn't on quite tight at the bottom, which is a little sus. Let's do a hand swatch. And I'm actually a little concerned. Well, here's the hand swatch. It looks really pretty, kind of a very luminous, healthy, peachy kind of glow. This is the shade Original Pink. But the lipstick looks a little sus. I don't know if you guys will be able to see, if it will focus. It's like, I don't know if that's it drying out, if it's mold, if it's what. So I might look into that before I put it on my lips. Hopefully there's no issue with that. I don't know if it just like dried out because it wasn't on tight at the bottom or what. But on the hand it looks really pretty, like really glowy, luminous, kind of juicy lips, I'm guessing is what it's gonna give you. So I'm gonna look into that texture thing, but I got that for $9. Alright, that is going to be it for this video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. I always love going through these boxes, and I love new products, so I always love going through, and I also like watching other people's videos, so I hope that you enjoy. Let me know down below what products you guys got in your boxes, whether you loved them or hated them, or if you're going to get a box, let me know if you'd choose any of these down below. I think that's it, so please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell before you go, and I will see you guys on my next one.